In this class, we will be working on iPad. You will need a compatible Apple Pencil. I am using 2022 iPad Pro and Apple Pencil 2nd generation. We will be working in Adobe Illustrator for iPad. If you already have a desktop version of Adobe Illustrator, all you need to do is download the app and log in with your Adobe account. Once you open the application, you will come to this screen. At the top you can see a few size suggestions, and you can also create a custom size clicking on the first option. Here you can specify the width and height of your canvas, as well as choose from more predefined options. Once you've selected your type, click on Create File. If you're familiar with Adobe Illustrator for desktop, a lot of features and tabs will be known or intuitive to you. However, there are some special things to keep in mind. To start with, in the top right corner of the screen, you can go to Settings and adjust general app settings to your liking, which include the color theme, position of the toolbar, touch settings, and much more. I would recommend turning on the palm rejection if you're not using an artist glove, and in general settings, toggle scale strokes and effects. Our artboard is located in the middle, and you can always adjust its size with the artboard tool found in the tools panel on the left. Here you can change your artboard to a different preset, as well as directly change the size and proportions of your artboard by clicking on the edges and sides of the artboard and dragging them. Clicking and dragging anywhere outside of the artboard will create another one. With the icons appearing underneath the artboard, you can duplicate them or delete them whenever you don't need them anymore. You can also drag your artboard around to reposition it. In the next lesson, we will go through the rest of the tools in the toolbar on the left side of the screen.